Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I'd show you how I did this DIY Canva bedroom decor idea, and I made this one for my daughter's bedroom. First, I designed this on Canva.com. Then I printed this on Printable Canvas. Then I ordered this 2-pack of magnetic frames that I got off of Amazon. I'll try to make sure that the link is in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a DIY Canva design video. So for this project, I knew that I wanted my daughter to have a panda themed bedroom. And I was really going for Asian vibes here because my mom is Asian, and therefore I thought that this would be a nice sort of honor to the heritage. I selected these frames specifically because they gave me those Asian vibes, and I thought it fit very well for the design. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a DIY Dollar Tree variation of this. But anyways, I go ahead and take the frames out of their packages and I start placing them where I want on the tops and the bottoms of my printed images. I think something that would be really neat to add to this design would be some Chinese characters, or if pandas aren't your thing, then maybe some dragons. Feel free to use whatever you like. It doesn't even have to have an Asian flair to it. If you have an interest in Chinese astrology or something, then you can use the animal year that you were born with or your child was born with and create a cool design that way. Honestly, I feel like the possibilities are endless. I even incorporated some dragonflies in one of these images, and I thought that turned out really nice. What I really love about these frames is how well made they are and how lightweight they are, because that way, when you want to go to hang it up, you don't actually need something super strong, like you don't need a really thick nail. So once all the images have their frames attached, then they are good to go. We just eyeballed the placement for these above my daughter's crib, and here's the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.